My name is Annie Zaidi, and I am going to read to you today from my book. It's a novel called Prelude to a Riot. And the novel is told in the form of a series of soliloquies. I'm reading from a chapter called Saju's Soliloquy, a character called Saju, who is friends with another character called Abu and is married to a character called Devaki. So that's their story. I don't know why Abu can't get a pair of good shoes. If his grandfather has the money to keep him in university, 5 years after finishing college, he can afford to buy a decent pair of shoes. Why would anyone dress like a beggar? Maybe he thinks that if people see him in those rotten sandals, they will not know how much the old man has got stashed away. I once asked, just casual like, what rate are you getting for the pepper this year? He shrugged me off. I don't take an interest in plantations anymore. As if there's anyone who doesn't take an interest in money. Sheh, sly fellows. Vinny was right about one thing. No matter how well you think you know them, they'll never be open and free with you. The other day, Abu comes here and starts lecturing me. Didn't you want to study further? Don't you want to do your master's? You wanted to do law, remember? He thinks I don't understand why he's talking of further studies. He bought an entrance form for Devaki, Bachelor's in Education, so she can get a teaching job somewhere. She's also not being straight with me. Didn't show me the form until yesterday when she needed to pay the fees. I've been thinking about it for a year. I should do something. House and all is fine. I can study and do housework. I'll hire a woman to help. There won't be any dust. I'll manage all the cooking. I've always wanted to be a teacher. You have a problem? 15 different things she said. But she didn't say where and when she got that form. The form came from the university. University means 4 hours drive, going there, coming back. So, when did she get it? Did it arrive by post? Then it came out. Abu bought the form. He was concerned. My housewife is wasting her talent. And she was insisting I was the one who asked him to bring the form. As if anyone wants to stop her. Study, I told her. Study through distance education, but you can't travel 4 hours every day. God knows how many hours you will have to sit in classes. Those who do such professional courses, they usually live on campus. Her face, she was silent, eyes down, but I could see she's already thought about this. I saw it on her face. She thinks she might go and live on the university campus. I told her right then, she can work with me if the housework is too boring for her. Girls work in cafes in all the big towns these days. Or she can study long distance, but not this type of crazy commute. Not this crazy type of commute. Madam wants to go to university. Why now? 8 years I've known her. She's never said she wants to be a teacher. As if I don't know who put this in her head. Fine, Devki and I got friendly because of him. Okay, I'll give him that much. He used to come to my house, drink tea, he talked to my parents. Okay, fine. Even now, he comes and goes. But he goes and brings university forms for her. Then he sits in my cafe with his beaten dog look. Spoils the atmosphere. Here I am trying to make a certain kind of cafe. Clean, bright, yellow and blue walls. No hurry like drink coffee and get lost. I don't go and slap a bill on the table when young people are chit-chatting. The customers wear nice clothes. Now here is this man with dirty sandals. Forget the atmosphere of the place. He just spoils my mood. That day, as soon as Vinny and Appa left, he also took off. He told me he wanted to go and buy some books. But half an hour later, when I go down to the supplier for my cakes, there he was, standing at the small mosque and drinking tea, chatting with his own people. I bet he went to sit in Royal afterwards. To hell with him. Not like I don't keep the same cake and pastry. He can go eat wherever. And Devaki can sniff and skulk in the kitchen if she wants to, sleep in the TV room if she wants to. I prefer that to her whining. I'll stop here. All the best and good luck for the HT branch reading challenge.